I'm Sandi Wiley, and I'm an educator at the Virginia Museum of Fine Arts. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make a nature journal out of things you find around your house. People throughout history have kept nature journals to record their observations and questions on nature. Unlike a regular journal or diary, a nature journal focuses your senses on what you see, hear, feel, and smell while outside. So why keep a nature journal? Nature journals are not just a collection of pretty pictures, but rather a way to help you see, question, and remember your experiences outside. We're taking our inspiration for this project from a piece in Virginia Museum of Fine Arts Modern and Contemporary Art Collection. This is Leonard Baskin's print, Beetle. It comes from his work entitled A Little Book of Nature. To make your nature journal, you will need a flat, clean workspace, papers cut to the same size. They can be all one color or assorted colors. I've even chosen to use a piece of brown paper bag, one piece of paper that will be the cover, a piece of twine or ribbon, a small stick, something to create a hole in your paper, such as an awl, a piece of cardboard to protect your table when making the hole, a leaf from outside, a stamp pad, any color, a pair of scissors, a small envelope, and glue to add a place to keep small things that you find outside. We are going to make our own small nature journal to collect images of things we find in our very own backyard. We're going to start by folding each piece of our paper in half. It's okay if your paper is a different size. Each journal is unique. You can fold your paper by bringing the edges together and then using your finger to make a crease. We're going to be sure that we do this with each piece of paper. Don't forget to fold your cover. Now that we're done folding, we're going to assemble our journal by stacking the paper together. Be sure that you place the creased folded edges together, lined up so that your book will open. Now that our paper is all folded, it's time to put holes to create our spine. It's important that your paper is folded so that the creases sit inside each other. This will create our booklet. Get your piece of cardboard so that you don't poke holes into your table. With your tool, place 2 holes in the crease. Be sure that you make holes big enough to thread your twine or ribbon through. Now take your twine or ribbon and we're going to thread them through the 2 holes. Sometimes our twine edges will fray. It's easy to solve this problem by taking a small drop of glue and gluing the ends. Let that dry for just a moment before trying to thread through your journal. Once your glue is dried, you can thread your twine through your holes. To hold my journal together, I'm going to tie a knot. And then I'm going to take my stick and lay it on the spine and hold it on by tying another knot. Once that's tied, I can cut my ends off. There. We've made a simple journal. Now, I'm going to take my envelope and glue it inside my journal so that I have a place to store leaves or flowers that I find. You only need a small drop of glue in each corner, but it's important to be sure you don't glue your opening closed. Now you have a pocket to keep your favorite things in your journal. Since we're taking inspiration from Leonard Baskin's beetle, we're going to do a simple leaf print. I found this leaf outside in my backyard that I really like. So I'm going to take a stamp pad and create a print. I'm going to lay my leaf on the stamp pad and just push to get enough ink onto my leaf. I'll take the ink side of my leaf and lay it on a piece of paper and press again. I've created a very simple leaf print. I really like this leaf, so I'm going to store it in my pocket. Now you're ready to take your journal outside and start recording. Thank you all for joining me for this Virginia Museum of Fine Arts at-home activity. We look forward to seeing you soon.